How to lock Google Chrome profile with password. So if you want to lock your Google Chrome profile with password, then first you need to open up your Google Chrome and search for Chrome Web Store. And after searching here, you need to go with the search again and search for Chrome profile lock. And here you will have set password for your browser, Chrome lock, or lock for your Google Chrome. Any extensions, you can just simply go with any extension that you're comfortable with, click on it, and then you need to go with add to Chrome. If it's not available or the extension is no longer available, you can go with another extension. Go with add to Chrome. Once you've added this to your Chrome, and then you'll be able to set your password for your browser. So go with add extension, wait for it. Now here it will ask you to enter password. So create a password and then go with save, and that's it. Now if you try to open that browser, then it will ask you to enter the password in order to use the browser. So and just enter the password, click on enter, and you'll be able to use that browser. So that's how you can lock your Google Chrome profile with password. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.